Today we have a video from Body Cam Boss, and the title of the video is Mother Brings Entire Family to Terrorize Husband's Ex, Ends Terribly.
17th, 2025, officers responded to a residence for a call of a disturbance involving a mother and multiple teenage children.
4042 is saying that they're trying to break the window.
Yeah, MCD, we'll take a couple more cars. Stop!
Can I get some North San
Hey!
Francisco as well? 43,
Stop!
you break off?
Stop right now! Don't move! Hey, Darren!
I'm pregnant.
I don't care!
You don't care that I'm pregnant?
What? Stop!
I'm pregnant.
439, you had 84711 no contact, 4711 no contact. Caller states that they saw a pistol now.
Hey, stop! Hey! Hey! Listen! Hey! Both of you, over here!
I'm pregnant. They're starting all this shit.
Stop!
She's an idiot. This pregnant one, you know what? I'm gonna let it rock.
I got numerous.
I'll wait.
I got numerous. She told me to come here. She was gonna kill my baby.
Hey, listen.
She said she's gonna kill my baby. Okay,
Hey,
Mom.
listen, let us sort this out first.
You're dead.
David Victor 38995, copy 20. David Victor 38995. Hey, come here! Hey, listen. Listen. Hey, listen. Hey, listen. Stop! Hey!
You're dead.
Hey, everybody, go!
You're dead. Home invasion.
Hands off, everybody! Hey, stay in your house!
Go take care of your baby.
Hey, stay in the house! Hey! Hey! Hey, listen!
Hey, bro, they say they're gonna hit my daughter.
Okay,
my daughter's
relax.
1 years old. I'm up, bro.
Relax, let's sort this out.
I'll cry.
Hey, listen!
Hey,
Relax, go to the house. Let me sort it out, okay?
I need her arrested.
Listen, everybody inside the house. Everybody in the house. In the house. Do not come out. I'll come. Give me a second. Hold on.
Back up. Who drove on the grass like this?
This your car?
This is my
You're
car.
driving this car?
Yeah, you know why? She's saying she's gonna my baby and my kids, my granddaughter.
Okay.
My granddaughter. I never once said nothing about her grandson, none of these kids. This is my husband's ex.
It started off as online harassment and never
Yes, and never stopped at all. I got all the proof.
So how do we get here?
They sent us their address.
She told me to come get my ass beat. She said she's gonna beat my pregnant ass and kick my baby out. I wanted to see if she's gonna do it.
Okay, so you basically confronted her here.
Yes.
Is that what you did? Okay.
Anybody coming can slow down. God.
She's on coke. She's 9 months pregnant. She's on coke.
Listen, relax.
You're on coke. That's why you're feeling froggy.
Relax.
She's off coke. She's on drugs. Why she came here.
Listen.
That's what sad.
Listen. You're not listening. Everybody just take a breath. Everybody breathe.
Calm down. Shut up. Calm down.
So, they came here, they started banging on your door, correct?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Shut up.
Who owns the house?
We rent here.
Okay.
Call the phone. Call the phone.
Dude, you want to call your landlord, find out what he wants to do about the window? Do you have the camera that's working right
I
here?
have that. Yep, it works.
Can you pull the video for me? All right, listen. Don't.
Listen, wait, sorry. They came past beefing real loud.
Okay.
Sound like they went, because I know they went through my alley. Sound like they threw something into my hair. But they went through my alley, then they came back this way. I was already on the phone with the police at the time.
Okay.
Then when she came back, they came from this way. She pulled up right there, and then pulled right there, got on the sidewalk, and that's when this all started. Her daughter got out,
You still doing okay?
came to my door, and she's banging on my door. She's trying to get in my window, as you can tell. My daughter's sitting here. She grabbed my daughter by her shirt,
Okay.
trying to get in my window.
Okay.
I need something done with these
Okay.
women.
Call your landlord, find out what he wants to do about the window. Pull the video for me, okay?
What video?
The video that's in here. All right, pull it up and give me a second. I'll be right back, okay? Just close the door. Do not talk to each other. Do not. We're done with this.
Okay.
10-4-50-17, your report number's going to be 470-470.
All right. Enough time has gone past. I guess I could stop the video. You know what I mean? I was gonna get into it right and early, but I'm like, all right, let me tone it down a little bit. Some people don't like when you just stop it right in the beginning like that. So let me, give it some time to marinate. You know what I mean? Okay. Now back to what I was saying. This lady in the gray is an idiot. All right. It is what it is, because she's sitting here ranting and raving about how she's pregnant, this, that, and the third. Right now, she's pretty much saying that because she don't want the cops to grab her and stuff like that, right? Be rough with her, right? Okay. Because the cop was trying to separate the two and all of this stuff. And she's like, I'm pregnant, this, that, and the third. But ma'am, clearly you don't care too much about your baby, all right? Because you're pregnant, right? But you decide to pull up on them, come to their house for a fight. You didn't come there to talk, okay? You came there to fight. That's why everyone's so hostile and everything like that. So, do you care about your baby? Do you care about being pregnant? Or do you only care if the officers grab you, but you could put your baby at risk for fighting and all this other stuff with these other people? Doesn't make sense. You went there to them. So you getting locked up for sure.
Broke the window.
I did.
How'd you break it?
She was sticking her head out the window. She tried to grab me.
How'd you break it?
I don't even realize. I think I pulled her through it. No, I think I pulled her.
Pulled her through the window?
Like. Okay. Yeah, screaming through the window like a chihuahua. Yeah, I got my ID.
You don't mind if I search the car for that pistol?
There's no gun in here. Did they say there's a gun? Come on now.
That's why it brings the
I swear to God, I wouldn't have a gun. Please, I'm pregnant. Okay, I'm pregnant. Being forced.
You probably should be doing that, right? You probably call the police, right? Not showing up at somebody's house, whatever they say to you.
Well, I understand. Right? They came to my house though before. They came to my house. They were messing with my truck. Look, they dented my truck up.
You should have just called the police at that time, not now. Those are Ricky's?
Those are mine. Can I put them on my purse?
No, just hold on to it.
Listen, this is the thing. It's constantly something. Okay, it's constantly something.
Okay.
Constantly.
So she threatened you, so you drove over here.
She didn't only threaten me. They came to my house and they vandalized my truck.
Okay, did you file a report?
No, because this is what they do.
So you just thought it's a better idea to drive over here?
I wasn't thinking at all, because you know what? All the stuff that's going on is mind-boggling that they, every day saying they hope my baby birth. This, like I said, this is
Why do you guys talk to each other?
Huh?
Why do you respond to them?
No, I wasn't trying to. It's just that it's constant. They called me. She called me. I got the number. She called me. Come over and get your...
online, you file a report and let somebody follow up on it. They threaten you.
There's nothing in my car. You go ahead. You just can look.
I know. We just gotta say that we searched. Just
yeah. No,
you mentioned a pistol.
I don't have no guns.
What do they want to do in there?
They're gonna find out with the landlord. They don't want...
Wait, I have you 27 when you're ready.
Is it clear? Let's step in here.
Hold on,
I guess you can close the door for me.
I am trying. They came to my shit. Oh, I'll call you back, Mom. Yes, I'm gonna show him the camera right now. All right, buddy. I'll call you back. Second time, third time. Okay.
So you guys hear that at that point, that they're outside?
Yeah. I was on the phone already with the officer. She didn't want me hanging up with her. But I dropped my phone because the one girl was trying to get in my window.
Who is she?
The daughter, Trinity. How old is she?
She's 20. Or she's 21 now. Girl got 8 kids.
That's the pregnant one. Banging on my door. That's the son. Now she's coming up my stairs trying to get in my window, trying to hit my window. That's
Okay. Do you want to do me a favor? Just call your landlord, find out what he wants to do about the window, if he wants to press charges and stuff like that.
I will.
Alright, so just give me a second. I'll talk to my partner.
This is the second time this officer is telling her this, and she's sitting on her phone with her mother instead of calling the landlord like he asked you to do the first time. We should already have a response for this landlord already about this window situation. People want to call everybody want to always run to mama, man. It don't matter how old you is. Everybody run to mama, man. When cops is involved, you run to mama. Call the landlord. How many times does this guy got to say this?
I'll pay for the window right now.
So why are we even...
I'll pay for the window right now.
Why are we going through all that trouble about that? It's literally...
Hey, you know what?
That's
Like
your
I said,
instigation. You come in here. That's the problem.
I didn't instigate it. This is being instigated.
Right. There's other ways to handle this problem, not drive over here.
I'm sorry.
Drive on a sidewalk.
I have tried so many times of not handling it in irrational ways till it got to, like, you don't
That's why
think
we're here now.
yeah, I understand that, but that was their whole motive, to get me here so they can call you. And the whole thing is,
So you put yourself in that situation.
you know, like
Just
I
because I
said,
called you doesn't mean anything.
no, I understand.
You can just block her number, right? You guys don't have to
No.
communicate.
I can block the number. Do you understand? This kid makes multiple accounts, my husband's daughter, to harass me. I have multiple accounts blocked. They call from different numbers. Do you understand? They are this type of psychotic to invest so much time in worrying about me and my pregnancy and hoping it ends and stressing me out. I got all the messages her saying, oh, don't be stressed out by me. I hope your baby don't.
So if somebody texts you that, why you leave it open? Block the phone number. Who
I
cares?
just told you I blocked numbers. I have numbers blocked. You understand?
Okay.
Yes.
That's it for battery.
Close the door. Can you get my daughter my keys?
Yeah, we got to figure out the car situation. You guys got Uber or something? You're gonna need somebody to pick you up.
Could I get my phone from the car?
You can get your stuff, yes, but you guys can't have the car, so.
Okay, we can get an Uber.
Okay. I'd probably start making those phone calls. We got all their names and stuff.
Can I get it?
Yeah, come on.
The woman was charged with battery, criminal damage to property, and disorderly conduct. Thanks for watching today's video.
One thing I'm surprised at is that more people weren't charged, because the kids, they were disorderly as well. I mean, it looked like to me on that video, the whole family got out and was ready to go, making a mess, hooting and hollering. So, I mean, I get it. The mom is that's the kind of like the ringleader or whatever, but they all participated. They all went over there to fight. That's what happened. They all went over there to fight. Officers did a good job, though. They get a 5. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.